Both corners are so full of energy that there's no doubt this will be a great battle. And now, the battle begins. Big hit! A brilliant attack right from the start. Taken out already. The blue corner has won the first round with a single hit. The second set of Pokémon have appeared. Its stats rose. The move fails. A fierce blow. Such amazing power. It started to hail in the Colosseum. Walrein restored its health. Hit by Psychic. Taken down by an intense blow. The blue corner has 2 wins so far. One more win and victory will be claimed. The third set of Pokémon have appeared. A rigid shock. A fierce blow. The blue corner barely holds on. Gliscor starts to attack. Nicely done. The red corner faces a great deal of pressure. Soaked by surf. It couldn't take it. It's down. The blue corner has lost this round. They have 2 wins and 1 loss. Can they win the next round and take the battle? The fourth set of Pokémon have appeared. Hit! The blue corner cannot move. Gastrodon restored its health. Yanmega starts to attack. A fierce blow. Such amazing power. It went down! The battle has ended. It's an absolute victory for the blue corner.